Fence. Mommy's washing your ass. Ang ganutot. Ah! This ate, say hi.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, this is my hat. Wait. Where it goes? Oh. Now, I'm gonna wear this out. I'm gonna cover my eyes and you can see it. So, what should we play? Hide and seek? Okay. You hide and I will cut, okay? After you hide this one, I'm gonna find it. Because I'm playing hide and seek.
Yeah, sis, what's up?
One,
Okay, just
2, 3, 4,
Hep!
5.
Do not, you face here. O, do it again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay na.
Where are you? Here I got. Sit in here. Ah! No. Maybe it's in the box. Ow! Where are you? Oh my God.
what did he do?
Everything was fine at the beginning.
Nga, do not there. Ay, hide it nga eh.
It's just a cell phone.
Eric, it could be in here or here.
Last week I had just gotten off a long shift at work. And when I got home, Steve was screaming
Here?
about not having
Here or
medication.
there?
Then, a few days ago, I've been too tired to drink anything. And Steve yelled at me again and told me I wasn't good for anything. And this
I just only found another bra.
leave the house. Steve told me that I let myself go. And that I don't look good anymore. But what's even worse than that is Ethan.
Hey, it's okay. You can tell me. What did he say?
But he should have married somebody else. So you see, that was it. After that, I left him.
I don't like not to play hide and seek.
Okay.
It's like,
And then I do. Where is it? Okay?
what? Oh my God. What should we play? Can you guess? Udal. Oh, Mati Tati to let me go. Let's do that.